close to about 11 o'clock. It's getting pretty bad out there right now. Yeah, you can definitely see like the wind kind of pushing the mist and the rain all off the cars and stuff. It's pretty bad. I think right around this hour is when it's supposed to be kind of the worst for us. So we'll kind of, I don't know, see how that goes. But dude, it's coming down pretty good. I can hear literally like trees and stuff snapping in the woods. I can hear it. There's like these weird howling sounds like up there by my house where the field is. And I can only imagine the kind of the wind just going down that little north to south field.
What thing? Oh. Oh Lord.
At least just the roof blew off. What's going on, everybody? Day 3 of the hurricane Ida hit last night. At first glance, everything still looks standing, so I think we did pretty good. I'm going to go up there, check on some things real quick. Honestly, didn't think this old tree here was going to make it. It's getting kind of rotten, and as you can see, it's done put branches all over the place. So the old building's still standing. It's about 7 in the morning or so. Big live oak tree fared pretty well, it looks like. Trampoline secured, good, didn't go anywhere. Looks like we got a little tree on the trailer. The little silo got blown over, but that was kind of expected. Tree here done uprooted. Fell on the trailer, just perfect. As far as my little location right here, we did really good. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually expecting way worse. So probably gonna fix the minor things real quick, get these limbs out of the driveway, and then we're probably gonna go help some people because I can hear chainsaws going off in pretty much every direction. So go hit the road, see who needs help, see how everybody is, and bring the kids up there, let them look real quick.
I went up to Brooklyn,
drink some coffee.
Traveling across the sea. You were drinking wine and you were speaking Portuguese. I was making lots of noise, busting on the city streets. I came back from Brooklyn, but you didn't come back for me. Maybe you got lost somewhere, swimming too far off the beach, off the coastline in Bermuda, the triangle in the sea. Well, I'd cannonball right out there if I thought it'd change a thing. I came back from Brooklyn, but you didn't come back for me. Now I'm back at home, sweet home, in the hills of Tennessee. I went out to dinner, cause we made plans to meet. It wasn't who I thought it was, staring back at me. She might look just like you, but she ain't you. And I think maybe you got lost somewhere, swimming too far off the beach, off the coastline in Bermuda.
This is the hardest part, Bobby.
I know.
You look, when you squeeze water out, you gotta be getting it. How y'all come out down there?
Pretty good. Actually, look around. That's my best today.
Right out there if I thought it'd change a thing. I came back from Brooklyn, but you didn't come back for me. You can make all the plans you want to, you can even write them down. I'll put a message in a melody and I'll sing it all around. Maybe you will hear my song somewhere in the crowd. You'll know I'm back from Brooklyn and I'm waiting on you now. Maybe you got lost somewhere, swimming too far off the beach, off the coastline in Bermuda, the triangle in the sea. Well, I'd cannonball right out there if I thought it'd change a thing. I came back from Brooklyn, but you didn't come back for me, no, no, no. Maybe you got lost somewhere, swimming too far off the beach, off the coastline in Bermuda, the triangle in the sea. Well, I'd cannonball right out there if I thought it'd change a thing. I came back from Brooklyn, but you didn't come back for me. I came back from Brooklyn, but you didn't come back for me, no, no. I came back from Brooklyn.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, we're going to work. Get your booty in there. How old are you?
2,
1, 2, 3,
4.
You're 4 years old. Charlotte, what did you think of the great Hurricane Ida?
A rain.
What's going on, everybody? Rob Pirie here. It's starting to rain a little bit, so we kind of knocked off the cleanup a little. And huh?
My house broken.
Your house is broken?
Yeah.
It's not completely broken.
Yeah.
It's just the skirting. I mean, it looks way worse than it is.
Yeah.
We actually got really lucky, bud. So we're under this big tree, and as you can see, like, this tree it's massive. You know, big old live oak tree. And what's cool is they got this vine that grows all up through it. It's not part of the tree per se, but it's called a muscadine. There's like tons of them all over the ground right now because the storm pretty much shook them out of the tree. And it just kind of shows, you know, even during times of like storms and stuff like that, there's always going to be opportunity. There's always going to be something. You want it?
Yep.
Yeah, it's actually this huge vine that grows. It's probably, I mean, this thing's been there for years at this size. Yeah, and it grows these little berries. They're pretty popular down here in the south. A lot of people make wine with them, jams, jellies, all kinds of stuff. So, oh man, looks like we got some, it's like we got a little rain coming in. Y'all ready? Let's go. It's starting to rain. Come on. Let's go. Ah! I'm tired of the rain. Come on. Let's get in the side by side. Woo! Another day in Louisiana, just doing a thing, you know? Anyway, coffee video is going to be coming back real soon. Yeah, coming back. Love y'all. If y'all have any questions for me, this is probably going to be it for the vlog. Not as spectacular as I really thought it was going to be. So yeah, anyway, drink good coffee and stay blessed. Honestly, of all the things I can say with, you know, the storm and last night and just listening to the howling and the house creaking and stuff like that, I was like, you know what? Whatever today brings, I'm just going to be grateful. My family's still here. Everybody's still intact. We fared far greater than I even imagined we would. So I'm simply blessed. Simply blessed. I can't complain. I have no complaints right now. Other than that, guys, yeah, we'll be back to it as soon as possible. Next podcast will be coming up. I'm like 3 or 4 ahead on the podcast right now, so I'll be throwing those out. Editing may be an issue here in the next next week or two, but we're gonna make it work. You gotta make it work. If you don't make it work, it'll never work. Little wise words from Rob. Peace out. Love y'all. If y'all have any questions, hit me up. Like always, love y'all. And yeah, comment, like, subscribe, do all that. It helps. It helps a lot.